Hello viewers, I am Deepti Hans. My next super hit game for your carnival is Fortune Wheel, and I am sure this will not only turn the fortune of your players but will definitely make you super duper hit. The attraction of every stall is the beautiful banners or chart papers prepared by you or your students. And the slogans used here by my students are spin the wheel, it will make you jump on your heel. Or we all are ready to play. What about you regarding fortune wheel? Give your ticket and gain a wicket on fortune wheel or win as much as you can. So this is my fortune wheel. The best part of this fortune wheel is that it is over in less than 30 seconds. And if you have 3 hours or 180 minutes, you can engage more than 300 players with a maximum collection of rupees 6,000 if each player is charged rupees 20 for playing once. Another fascinating fact is that this game can be played in a small table and box full of gift items. I have shared the details of making the fortune wheel in the description box along with the pictures. Handmade board will attract children more than the ready-made ones available online. For making this game long lasting, I have used a ball bearing and an arrow made up of iron with a very strong fulcrum. Let us see how we can play this game live with instructions to the players. Once the player pays rupees 20, he or she spins the arrow depending upon which number the arrow points, and the player is eligible for a prize based on this chart. If the score is 1 to 3, then participation prize only. If 4 to 5, then players delight, and if 6, then it is a mega prize. So now I am going to spin this wheel. And my score is 5. So 4 to 5 means players delight. I will get a prize here. In case the arrowhead points on the middle or partition line, suppose like this on the number line, and you cannot decide whether it is 5 or 1, then the rule is pay again, play again. Here you can tell the participant that in case they play again second time in a row, then he or she will get an assured prize in case of hard luck again. Means prize guaranteed in case you play 2 consecutive games here. I again want to repeat, the mantra of success is not just the game but also the variety of prizes you are using on your stall. My philosophy is simple. You make the children winner or a big smile on their faces will make you the winner of your carnival. Now we have another game that is played with the help of 2 dice. It is very high power game which can generate instant energy. You should keep a mega prize for the player who strikes lucky 7. So its name is Lucky 7. Let me unfold the mystery and show you the board and dice used to play this game. The link with details and pictures have been put in the description box so that you can make this very simple yet highly popular game at your school. This game is liked equally by children and their parents at the carnival. Now let us play the game live and see how a player or a student can win prizes. Once you collected rupees 20 coupons from the student or player, hand over the 2 dice to them and explain them the rule to win prizes. The player has to first choose from below 7, 7 or above 7 and then throw the 2 dice. If he or she chooses less than 7 and the total of 2 dice is 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 means less than 7, they get a prize. But if the total is 7 or more, they do not get any prize and vice versa. If they select more than 7 and the total is 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12, they will definitely get a prize. There is a mega prize for a player who selects 7 and the total of 2 dice is 7. After collecting the ticket from a student, I have hand over these dice to him or her. Now suppose he choose less than 7 and then he take his chance and his chance is 3 plus 1 4. It means less than 7. Then he is the lucky winner of the game. And suppose a student choose more than 7. More than 7. And in the throw of a dice, this is 3 plus 6, 9. More than 7. Again he is the winner. Now suppose he choose to have 7. Then 2 plus 1, 3. It means he is not the winner. So bumper prize for 7. Lucky 7. Hope you have enjoyed these games and will definitely make one for your carnival. Don't forget to share your success story with me. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching and sharing and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to give your valuable comment in the comment section. Thank you.